Alright guys, so I am back with another video. This one is going to be kind of Lakers inspired as far as the color thing or whatever. So I'm just really going to just come in, show clips or whatever, and just kind of like get in my little zone and see what I create. So yeah, stay tuned. So I normally do not color correct, but I will use this peach concealer corrector, whatever you want to call it, today. Anyway, this is a crayon case number 5 brush. Absolutely love this brush. Alright, so this is the finished look. I definitely, what did I do? I used the only purple lipstick that I could find. I'm not gonna say the only, I don't know. I didn't really look for another purple, but I used this purple lipstick and I put Anglola in the center to give it the whole purple and yellow, gold, whatever you want to call it, like theme, as far as like what I tried to do on the eyes as well. I kept it very simple. I used some little bitty old Beauty Supply store lashes. I took it back. I took it back, but this is my look for today. I won't be wiping it off until later. I'll wear it the entire day. But I just gotta get the right lighting for y'all so y'all can see the full effect of it. But other than that, that's my look. And I will see you guys in a later post. Remember, Styles by BK, she been cute, come get cute.